Windows are a crucial feature of any home, providing natural light, ventilation, and energy efficiency while enhancing the property's curb appeal. For homeowners in Dallas, where the climate ranges from hot, sunny summers to occasional storms and cooler winters, proper window maintenance is essential. Regular care not only extends the lifespan of your windows but also ensures optimal performance and reduces energy costs. Here's your ultimate guide to maintaining your windows in Dallas, keeping them clean, functional, and energy efficient year-round. Regular cleaning. Keep them clear and bright. Dallas's weather often brings dust, pollen, and other debris, which can accumulate on your windows and reduce their clarity and performance. Regular cleaning is key to keeping your windows looking great. Glass cleaning. Use a non-abrasive cleaner or a mixture of water and vinegar to clean glass surfaces. Wipe with a soft microfiber cloth or squeegee to avoid scratches and streaks. Frame cleaning. Clean vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum frames with mild soap and water. For wooden frames, use a damp cloth and dry them immediately to prevent moisture damage. Track cleaning. Dirt and debris can build up in window tracks, making it difficult to open and close them. Use a vacuum or a small brush to remove debris, followed by a damp cloth for a thorough clean. Tip: clean your windows on overcast days to prevent the cleaner from drying too quickly, which can leave streaks. Inspect for damage. Regular inspections help you catch minor issues before they turn into costly repairs. Check your windows at least twice a year, ideally during the spring and fall. Glass. Look for cracks, chips, or scratches that could compromise insulation and safety. Frames. Inspect frames for signs of warping, cracking, or peeling paint, especially in wooden windows. Seals and weather stripping. Check for damaged seals or weather stripping, as these can allow air leaks and reduce energy efficiency. Tip: address damage promptly to avoid further deterioration and higher repair costs. Reapply caulking and weather stripping. Dallas's fluctuating temperatures and occasional storms can wear down caulking and weather stripping over time. These components are essential for maintaining energy efficiency and preventing drafts. Caulking. Scrape away old or cracked caulk around the window frame and apply a fresh, weather-resistant sealant. Weather stripping. Replace worn or damaged weather stripping to maintain a tight seal that keeps your home comfortable and energy efficient. Tip: use materials designed for Dallas's climate, which can withstand high heat and humidity. Protect against moisture. Moisture can cause significant damage to your windows, especially wooden frames, leading to rot, warping, or mold growth. Prevent moisture issues by taking proactive measures. Proper drainage. Ensure window sills and frames have proper drainage to prevent water pooling. Wipe condensation. Use a dehumidifier to control indoor humidity and wipe away any condensation that forms on your windows. Maintain gutters. Keep gutters clean and direct water away from your windows to minimize exposure to excess moisture. Tip: repaint or reseal wooden windows every few years to provide extra protection against moisture. Lubricate moving parts. Windows with moving components, such as sliding or double-hung windows, require occasional lubrication to ensure smooth operation. Hinges and tracks. Use a silicone-based lubricant on hinges, tracks, and other moving parts to reduce friction and prevent sticking. Avoid greasy products. Do not use oil-based lubricants, as they can attract dirt and grime, leading to further issues. Tip: lubricate your windows annually or whenever you notice difficulty in operation. Maintain screens. Window screens help keep bugs and debris out while allowing fresh air in. Regular maintenance ensures they remain functional and attractive. Clean screens. Remove screens and wash them with soapy water. Rinse thoroughly and let them air dry before reinstalling. Inspect for tears. Repair small holes or replace damaged screens to maintain their effectiveness. Frame condition. Check for bent or warped frames and repair or replace them as needed. Tip: store screens during the winter months to extend their lifespan. Upgrade when necessary. Sometimes, no amount of maintenance can restore old or inefficient windows. If your windows are beyond repair or no longer meet your needs, consider upgrading to modern, energy-efficient options. Energy-efficient windows. Double or triple pane glass with low E coatings can reduce energy costs and improve comfort in Dallas's varying climate. Durable frames. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist warping and require less maintenance than traditional wood. Professional installation. Proper installation ensures your new windows perform at their best, maximizing energy savings and longevity. Tip: work with a trusted local professional to choose the best windows for your Dallas home. Schedule professional inspections. While regular DIY maintenance is crucial, professional inspections can identify hidden issues and provide expert solutions. Glass repairs. Professionals can address chips or cracks before they worsen. Frame adjustments. Experts can realign frames to ensure smooth operation and prevent drafts. Deep cleaning. Professional services can restore clarity and shine, especially for hard-to-reach windows. Tip: schedule a professional inspection every 1 to 2 years to keep your windows in peak condition. Conclusion: keep your Dallas windows in top shape. Proper window maintenance is essential for preserving the beauty, functionality, and energy efficiency of your Dallas home. By cleaning regularly, inspecting for damage, and addressing minor issues promptly, you can extend the life of your windows and keep your home comfortable year-round. When it's time for repairs or replacements, consult with local professionals to ensure your windows meet the unique demands of Dallas's climate. With the right care and attention, your windows will continue to enhance your home for years to come.